Okay, I'm going to show you how to quickly cut a watermelon. It is a way that I also found on YouTube, so it's nice and easy. Kind of find a flat spot to set the watermelon so it doesn't completely roll over on you. 2 knives for this procedure. I use one nice butcher knife and then a thin knife, and I'll show you where I'm going to use that one later. What we have to do is just half this. So I'm going to find the center somewhat of the watermelon. Kind of keep the blade, try to keep it as straight as you can. Just plunge it right down inside. Then you're going to rotate. Then I'm going to rotate the watermelon, trying to keep the halves together with my hands, pulling them together, keep the pressure off, and then straight down. And that is it. 2 perfect, even, flat cut of watermelon. So I'll put that there. Then we can cut this again. I'll just kind of find another half point, cut it right down the center, like so. There we go. I'll move this quarter of watermelon over here. Now this is where this knife goes aside. A thin knife comes into play. What you're going to do is rotate the knife around the rind, all around this edge here, and just kind of continue to cut. So right about there is as deep as I can get it on this side. We're going to go around. I don't want to get as much of the white. I want to stay into the red portion of the watermelon. Okay, I rotate, get from the other side, continue to cut around the rind, plunging the knife as deep as I can without poking through the other side. Now I'm going to do my straight cuts from the top. I'm going to gauge the knife from the rind and just work my way down in a half moon shape through the entire watermelon. And you'll be able to feel this the more and more you do it, and where you're hitting the end. Sorry about that. Rotate down. You're making perfect slices. You're not going through the rind of the watermelon. We're just going to make a couple of slices, maybe one more here. Okay, I'm actually going to place this back inside. That shouldn't have fallen out. Usually it doesn't fall out. So anyway, then I'm going to rotate it. I'm going to make additional slices this way to make long strips in the watermelon. Now you can either eat it like this if you want, but now I'm going to go ahead and cut it again to make little squares. So then from this face side with the cuts, I'm going to again, just like before, plunge into the watermelon as deep as I can get, and you'll feel when you hit the rind and you know to back off. And again, and one more cut. Okay, now this is the fun part. This is the part that the kids really love. You take the watermelon quarter, you hold it over a dish like this, and you just dump, and there you go. A little wiggle here and there. There you go. A couple of pieces left over behind, but for the most part, your watermelon is perfectly cubed and ready to eat. Super simple. You do this for every half as you go along, and there it is. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.